So hey guys, it's me LB Gamer doing another vlog, and we're here at Winnipeg at Jollibee. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon and we're just gonna eat here. Here in Winnipeg, we're just gonna go shopping and explore and do some adventures here, like in July 4th and July 5th. So we're gonna be seeing here mainly just shopping vlog or exploration vlog. So alright guys, so we're here in the Fork right now. We're just gonna stroll around here as it's going to be fun. It's what I've heard from the reviews, as there's a mall in the middle and it's basically a park where there's lots of events to do. I mean, it sounds pretty fun judging by the reviews. And just a quick update, I'll be more explanatory in my vlogs from now on, because one person pointed out to me that in the zoo it's not their animals' habitat. So thank you for suggesting that, by the way. So I'll be more explanatory. It's actually very nice here, lots of stuff to do, many stores to shop in. I mean, it's so fun to go here. Alright, so we're at the top floor of the Forks right now, and we get to get a glimpse of the landscape and the whole skyline of the city. It looks pretty nice here actually. The green trees, the other buildings. Like, look at the skyscrapers of Winnipeg. It looks so good here. We're here at the second floor section where the shops are for the Forks. We're going through this hallway and we're going shopping. And at the bottom you can see the restaurants too, which looks pretty nice from this views wall. we're taking a quick break here for now. You want to say something, Grandma?
Beautiful place.
I agree. Alright, so we're here in Polo Park right now. We're gonna do some shopping. So after this we're going to IKEA. As you can see, there's Forever Shop. It's pretty nice here, as you can tell. Looks pretty modern. It's around 5:52 at the afternoon and we're just having fun, enjoying the rest of the day. Right, so we didn't buy a lot. We didn't buy anything much. We just shopped around and looked around, but it was fun going around here, and that was the main objective, was basically to have fun. But yeah, we looked around a lot of shops: Urban Planet, Urban Outfitters, Bench, Foot Locker, EB Games. There's lots of stores to look around, so we were like, yeah, why not? So yeah, again, I did buy something, which is just a $20 Steam card basically, and I also bought a shirt here. But overall, we had fun shopping around. What do you want to say?
Well, let's move to IKEA.
Yeah. Alright guys, so it's July 5th, 3:33 p.m. and we're here in IKEA right now, as you can tell. So what we're pretty much gonna do here is buy some furniture for our house, or get some ideas, like plans for what graphic design we want to use for our house, what type of couch we want to use, what kind of table, what kind of walls, wall color and all. So it's gonna be a lot of fun just going inside, as we're gonna get lots of new ideas to to update our house for some small renovations, and yeah. Also, sorry if I wasn't able to record what happened in the last few hours, because we weren't able to record as we were in a sheep shearing ranch and they did some sheep shearing. So we got a sheep, and then you can take off the fur using like blade or something, and then just shear them, and then they're gonna be like furless pretty much. And I could not even get away with it because they have security cameras. They had people that will check around if people are recording. So yeah, that's what we did pretty much. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Nanny.
I like this one. This is the design I wish I could go for, like with the TV over there, even though it's kind of small, and then the white boxes over there, and then great chair, blue white tables. Yeah, pretty cool. And then over here it's pretty nice too, with the simplistic design here, the simplistic aesthetic. To be honest, I'm not really a fan of maximalism, but this one looks pretty nice with like all these posters, all these pictures, all these photos, and like the TV being in the middle. Like, I wouldn't complain here. Like, yeah, it's maximalism. I'm not really a fan of it, but I like it actually. Let's check the temperature outside. Oh, wait. Never mind, it's a piece of paper. Now this is my type of room. It's pretty modern here. I mean, with the exception of the lamps there, I mean, that looks pretty cool. Let's see if this laptop works. Fake. Now, my desk is actually bigger than this, but this is a desk that I wish I had. So there's a levitator where you can put your desk higher, and then there's a leveler, and then you can also put your desk lower here. So looks pretty nice.